Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I am able to always take trades using smart money concepts. And in this video, I'm going to take you specifically through this trade on EURGBP. But before that, let's first go to the theory part. So here I've done some market structure. So when you're marking structure, when you're waiting for your order block to be mitigated, you have to be patient. As you can see here, I had to wait patiently for this liquidity to be taken out. Liquidity is simply double highs or double tops or trend line liquidity or anything before your order block. As long as your order block hasn't been mitigated, that area above or below it is always referred to as liquidity. So as you can see, there is a break of structure here. Here, after this break of structure, I had to patiently wait for price to come back to my original order block. Here, this is the break of structure. So after this break of structure, I waited for price to come to this order block and I immediately entered for a buy. So let me show you on the chart. So this was a trade before and it also hit take profit, this one here. But for today, I'm interested in this trade. This was the break of structure here. So after this break of structure, price had to come back like this, and as you can see, this is the liquidity that I was telling you about. These double bottoms are usually liquidity, but you have to be patient and wait for market to come back to your zone and you take your trade. So it came back here. As you can see, it mitigated my zone and I waited patiently for it to take profit. As you can see, this is a 1:3 risk to reward, and it's a very good risk to reward if you are a beginner trader or even if you are a pro trader. As you can see, I'm targeting this high, so I closed partial profits on this level because there was a kind of demand area here, supply zone here. That's why I closed partials, but initially my take profit was here, on this targeted high. As you can see, targeted high. So I'm waiting for price to hit my full take profit. So this is how they trade smart money concepts. You have to always wait for the right order block and execute at the right time. And as you can see, price almost hit my stop loss here. As you can see, it was like 2 pips away from my stop loss, but I had to patiently wait for it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Consider subscribing and share this video to anyone who may need it. Thank you.